Hello everybody and welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thank you for joining us. We're excited to draw for you today, draw with you today, and please subscribe. We're trying to build our subscriber base on the channel. So today we're going to draw Aidan Hutchinson of the Detroit Lions, defensive end, played for Michigan University, those Wolverines, and was the runner-up for the Heisman Trophy in college, which is really rare for a defensive player. He was the second pick overall in the 2022 draft, made the all-rookie team in the NFL, so let's get started. Find the center of your page up and down and the center of your page across, and we'll do Aidan Hutchinson's cartoon head right here. Grab the dark black marker or dark gray, and we're going to do the outline. We'll start with the jaw. So we're going to go down and kind of out, kind of a slant, into the chin, straight across with the chin, slant up to that jaw line, and slant up. Okay, so down, slant, over, up, up. Let's do a couple of ears. One ear, two ears, kind of bump out the side of the head from the ear, bump out the side of the head so they kind of round out. Then we'll go bump, up to the top, down, and bump. There's the hair. So let's do some eyes right here. Right by the ears, we'll do kind of some slanted ovals. Slanted ovals. We'll do a white highlight circle in the inside of the eye. We're going to outline that circle with our black marker to make the pupil of the eye. And then quickly we'll get our light blue marker, outline that black area, make kind of a blue eye for Aidan Hutchinson. There we go. Okay, and get the black marker back. We'll do kind of bring it down from this eye, make a dot, bring it down from the edge of the eye, make a dot. We're going to go down. So basically the nose goes down to a point, up and up. Okay. Smile line on that side, smile line on that side. We'll go up to a point and up. Okay. Alrighty. Make a little line underneath for the bottom lip. Alright, so now let's make the neck. Down, down, kind of a wider neck. Aidan Hutchinson's a defensive player. He's got big muscles, so we'll go down to a point and up to that neck. Connect. Bump out with the shoulder pad, bump out with that shoulder pad. Round it out. Round it out. Curve it down to the waist. Straight across. Up and curve into the shoulder pad. Okay. Got the torso now. Let's do some pants. We'll go down, up to a point, down and connect to the hip. And the calves go down, slant in, and arch to connect. Down, slant in, and arch to connect. Let's do some big shoes. Do the tongue of the shoe on that side, the tongue on the shoe on that side. 1, 2, 3 bumps for the shoelaces. 1, 2, 3 bumps for the shoelaces. Round it out to the edge of the page and down. Come straight across and stop at the ankle and connect. Alright, bring this ankle down, round it out. Come straight across to the edge of the page. Up and into the shoelaces. Good. Alright, so he's a defensive player. We're not going to do a football because he's always trying to sack the quarterback. So let's bring some muscles out. Go bump out, bump out, bump. Big bump for the bicep. Out to the elbow. That's going to be the elbow. Bump out. Bump out and down. Okay, we'll do that. The thumb's going to come out. Thumb, round, finger, up, finger behind, and there we go. That's a wristband. Over here we'll do a big hand kind of big thumb, finger, 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 and finger. Connect. So he's kind of sticking his hand out of the page, which makes this hand bigger because it's coming out of the page at us. Bump. Stop in the finger there. Bump. Round it out. All right, cool. We've got Aidan Hutchinson outlined here. So what we're gonna do is get kind of a tan, blonde looking marker for his blonde hair. We'll go up, down to a point, up, and bring it down, okay? Same thing with the mustache. We'll go up. He's got a blonde mustache. Up, round that mouth, round the mouth, down, and up to the chin. Or sorry, not the chin, the lip. Come down and connect. If you need to press pause or slow motion, feel free to do so. Come down off of the ear and connect to the mustache. Start at the ear, come down and connect to that mustache. And we'll color this area, beard, mustache area in with the blonde. We'll color this hair in. I'm just gonna fill it in real quick so you know. And then we're gonna do the number. Let's do, we're gonna do a dark gray. Let's do this color. It's our light gray. Let's do a dark gray. Get a dark gray marker. It's hard to find here. Let's do this one. Okay. We're gonna do off the shoulder. We're gonna go out, out, come down, and into the shoulder, into the shoulder. These are the stripes on the side of the jersey. A skinnier one, skinnier line. Same thing on the bottom, skinny, down. Okay, we'll do the number 97 now. I'm gonna go 9, down, round on that corner. Now do the 7 straight down, over, angle down toward the 9, stop, straight across, angle up. It's gonna come to a point. Alrighty, and we got some blue stripes. I'm gonna do a couple of stripes right there, a couple of stripes right here, and we should have our Aidan Hutchinson blocked in. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna do blonde hair, flesh color. We'll do some eyebrows. Actually, I'm gonna show you the eyebrows now while we got you, so that you can see how to do them. He's got some up, up, into a point. He's got these pointy eyebrows, so up, almost like upside down Nike symbols, okay? Okay, cool. So we are gonna do flesh color, blue jersey, gray pants, blue socks, white shoes with stripes. Thank you for joining us on Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Aidan Hutchinson, defensive end of the Detroit Lions. Make sure to subscribe and let us know who you'd like to see next. We love seeing the comments. We try to respond as much as we can. Appreciate the interaction. Fast forward now.